Okay, too many people worry about this water, the P where it shows your motor is working. If this is clogged, your motor still works, okay? The water is still going through. This is where it comes out, the hub. If you touch it, it'll be hot. It's warm. So that's where the water comes out. That is an indicator. It's not a big deal if it's clogged. If it's clogged, you just yank this thing out, and you will you can fix it. I'm going to see if I can get my pliers. You just go in there, yank it out, and look for debris inside. Put it back. You blow on it, whatever you need to do. Put it back. You're done. Okay. You want to open this up sometimes because a lot of this is used for people that keep their boat in the water and they're not able to rinse it like me. And you want to open this up sometimes because salt and junk piles up on it. I do it like once a month in my case. So I'm ready to open it up. I'll probably do it with the engine off. And lastly, I made a doohickey here. Don't ask me the parts, but I have a pH balance soap, which is 7. ECO. In the United States, Sam's sells it. Probably can get it from Walmart. But the pH is 7, same as water. And that will loosen up any debris and salt that are in there. Made my own salt wash, salt away wash, whatever. Probably cheaper. Now, the last thing, when you go to store your boat, store it straight like this, because this cylinder right here has a puddle on it if you have it in an up position. You see, when it's like this, there is always, when it's tilted, there's always going to be water there. And, oh, we got a malfunction. We got 20 seconds to shut off the engine probably, and we did. So we were done anyway. So we are, after you park it, bring the engine down, and this is going to make sure all the water is drained. You see how the water is draining right now after everything is off? If you have it off, watch. If you have it tilted up, the water is not draining, obviously. And that part is not as bad as this part. This part will have some minute amount of salt that will sit there for 3, 4 months, 5 months. And when you come back, it's still wet. So let's see how much water comes out when you tilt it. And I'll leave it tilted down. I have to dig the ground so I can have it all the way down. I hope you can do that. But if you cannot, you know, I don't know. Bad part is my ground is soft, so I can dig. That's the good part. The bad part is your shoes get muddy when it's raining. So anyway, I hope this helped you. And that's our final deal for cleaning the boat before we go home after fishing and salt water. Oh, let's go ahead and open this up. And I'm not strong enough anymore. So anyway, we're going to open it up. Let's see what's in there. What kind of, I wonder if you see any surprise. There's always surprise in boating. Alright, let's see. There should be some gooky stuff. Yeah, there is. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I can see it. There's some white stuff here stuck. I think I'm going to just let it run for a few seconds with the motor off. And actually, let's do it. So we're going to put this back. I'm going to turn the water on. Let's see if any water comes out. Yeah, a little bit of water is coming out. Not really, huh? Okay, I'm just going to connect the hose to it maybe. I don't want to run it. Alright, we're done. So take care of that part as well. I'm going to connect the hose to it. You don't need to see that. Simple thing, okay? Bye.